Good afternoon, students. Last class we are studied financial statement. The meaning of financial statement is financial statement or statement prepared by business concern at the end of the accounting period. The end of accounting period means which month accounting end. Opening is April 1, closing is March 31st. That is accounting period. To ascertain the operating result, the business position. Result and the business position or financial position. That is financial statement. Last class, two sums discussed. Today, one new method sum is from the following particulars, prepare the comparative income statement to Mary Limited. Listen, students. Accountancy live class or recorded class, anybody you using only accountancy note and pen, and you watching and so many calculation you work out. Okay. Listen, first one is particulars 2015 2016, 2 years only. Last sums, this sums one main important things, one important point, students. First one is revenue from operation added in other income. Add other income or other income you not enter means next step you followed. Listen, this sum you not enter in other income. You different entry one is income tax percentage of profit before tax. First question is revenue from operation. Second one operating expense. Third one income tax percentage of profit before tax. Okay, I explain in solution, students. This sum is using only in single page only. Do not write in double page. You using only in single page enough. First one, the top of the heading, comparative income statement of Mercy and Co Limited, Mary and Co Limited for the year end of 31st March 2016 and March 2017. First you enter for particulars 2015 2016. Next fourth column is absolute income or decrease, plus or minus compulsory you enter, students. You write compulsory. Increasing means plus symbol, decreasing means minus symbol. Percentage increasing means plus symbol, decreasing means minus symbol. Okay, students. Next one. First one is revenue from operation is how much? 4 lakh rupees. Next one column is 5 lakh rupees. First you 2015 and 16 first you enter. Next one less operating expense. But last two sums is add in other income. Other income you question you enter means you write only in add in other income. Not you question is not in means you write only in expense. Next only enter in expense. Question is no. Only in expense only. 3 questions only. First one is revenue from operation 4 lakh rupees less operating expense how much? 2 lakh rupees minus 4 lakh minus 2 lakh how much? Balance is 2 lakh. Next 2015 and 16, listen. Revenue operation is how much? 5 lakh. Operating expense how much? 1 lakh 80,000. 5 lakh thousand minus 1 lakh 80,000 is how much? Balance in 3 lakh 20,000. Okay students, next one. The fourth column is compare 2015 and 16, 16 and 17. How much is compare? 2016 is very less revenue, but 16 is increasing. How much difference? 4 lakh. Next year 5 lakh. Income is increasing. Revenue from operation is increasing. How much? 1 lakh rupees. How much? 1 lakh rupees. Next one. Operating expenses 2015 and 16, 2 lakh rupees. Next year 2016 and 18, 16 and 17, 1 lakh 80,000. Operating expenses 2015 and 16, 2 lakh. But 2016 and 17 less only, minus 20,000. This 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh rupees minus 20,000, add how much? 1 lakh 20,000. Okay students, next fifth column. Fifth column is 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 1 lakh. That is formula is what formula? Absolute amount increase or decrease by first amount, year one amount into 100. Absolute increase and decrease how much? Students, work out in rough note. Everybody note it down. 1 lakh is increasing or decreasing amount is how much? 1 lakh divided by what? First year amount. You enter only in first year amount, only you using. Second year do not touch. You touch only in first year amount only. Students, do not touch in second year amount. You using only in first year amount only. 1 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100. 0, 0, 0 cancel means 1 by 4 divided is 0.25. 0.25 into 100. How much? 25 percentage. Second one how much? 20,000 divided by 2 lakh. This one use, everybody listen, this column only using. This one do not touch. 20,000 divided by 2 lakh. Answer is 10 percentage. What symbol? You put in increasing symbol means plus symbol. You decreasing symbol means minus symbol. Next one. Third one is answer. Profit before tax. Profit before tax. The total value. Bracket is the total value is you. Total value name is profit before tax. Before tax. The profit before tax is 2,000. Listen students. Income tax percentage only, profit before tax. How much percentage? 2015 20 percentage. 2016 is 50 percentage. Listen, the calculating in working notes. 2 lakh rupees into 20 percentage equal to how much? 40,000 to 40,000. Listen students, working notes. 2 lakh rupees before tax calculated. Everybody listen. before tax calculated is 2 lakh into 20 percentage by 100. 20 percentage by 100. But you not enter in calculation income tax 100 you not mention, but you work out 2 lakh into, right, everybody note it down. 2 lakh into 20,000, 20 percentage by 100. How much is percentage? First year is 40. Second year 3 lakh 20 is profit. 3 lakh 20 into 50 percentage, 50 divided by 100. How much? 1 lakh 60,000. That is tax. Listen, less income tax. Income tax you added. Income tax. Tax is a expense. Expense means you only, less only. Income means only you added. Income tax. The profit before the 2 lakh minus 40,000 is how much? 1 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 20,000 minus 1 lakh 60. Answer is 1 lakh 60,000. Listen students. Next one. 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100 means the increasing percentage is 60. Next one, 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 1 lakh 20,000. Next class, everybody, this class calculation I am checking. Next class, 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 40,000 into 100. That by increasing percentage is 300. Listen students, this using a formula is for absolute increasing and decreasing value, this one by amount, 1 year amount, first year amount only you calculate, do not touch in second year amount, you using only in first year amount into 100 rupee, 100 percentage, 100 you calculated means every year increasing means increasing symbol, decreasing means decreasing symbol. Everyone note it down, this sum, third sum, note it down, and next class corrected the sums. Next one, fourth one, everybody you thorough win. One already I dictated in one formula in format. Everybody thorough this formula. You the formula is thorough means next step only in next method sum. You not thorough means, listen, next live class students, everybody this sum format, everybody you thorough. Okay students, everybody, do you understood? Sum number 3. Any doubt means you next class you ask. Okay students, thank you.